Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is how I lost 20 pounds and got more shredded than ever as I aged. So I have some clips from today's workout that I'm going to show you while I chat about this, and make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to also show you what I ate on this day as well. So this all started getting close to 13 years, about 12 and a half or so years ago. And that's when I changed over to a healthier diet. So before I was eating the standard American diet, maybe a little bit better than that, but not much. And about 12 and a half years ago, I changed over to more of a plant-based diet. I just started including a lot more clean foods in my diet, more whole foods, more fruits and vegetables, grains, beans, nuts and seeds, and things like that. So that's how it all got started. And before I started this journey, I was about 188 pounds. And I was more puffy, more inflamed. Looking back at old pictures, my face was definitely more puffy, and I did not have the cuts that I have now. So I'm 45 right now. So the whole change started when I was around 33 years old. So when I started to make these changes, I had no idea anything about the weight loss. It was never a goal. It just came off effortlessly. And now I'm 168 pounds, and the change happened relatively quick. I mean, I've been 168 pounds for many years now, just held the exact same weight, and it was not hard for me to do. Once I made the changes to more of a plant-based healthy diet, and I just continued with my exercising. In fact, over time, my exercising has gotten more simple. I just keep it simple with body weight exercises now. I like to do push-ups, pull-ups, squats, things like that. I run a couple of days a week. So my routine is very simple. And I stick to mostly a whole food plant-based diet. And it really matters what you're doing like 90% of the time. So if you're, this isn't about doing a perfect diet or eating perfectly all the time, but if you're doing it right 90% of the time, for me, that's what works. And I've been able to maintain a good physique as I've gotten older and, into a middle age now. And I plan to keep doing this forever, essentially. I plan to keep being able to exercise. I want to be one of those super old guys doing pull-ups when I'm like 80, 90 years old. So that's one of my goals in life. We'll see what happens, but that's what I'm sort of looking forward to. So I just showed my workout clips from this video, and the workout was very simple. It was just a set of pull-ups, a set of push-ups, and a set of jump squats. That's how simple it is. It takes me about 10 minutes to do this workout a couple of days a week, and I'm running a few days a week as well. And I do the workout fasted at about 11 a.m. So I generally break my fast around 1 p.m. And that's exactly what I did on this day. Drank water throughout the morning, did my late morning workout, and then ended up breaking my fast around 1 p.m. And this is what I had. So the smoothie at 1 p.m. had 3 dates. It had 1 cup of frozen strawberries. It had 1 cup of frozen blueberries. I had 2 fresh ripe bananas. I had a tablespoon of peanut butter, and I had 2 frozen ripe bananas. Now for the frozen ripe bananas, what I do is I freeze them with the peel on when they're ripe, and then I thaw them in hot water for about 4 minutes so they defrost and they come right out the peel. And then I had about 3/4 cup almond milk and 3/4 cup of coconut water as well. So this is a really good smoothie combination, good way to start it off with my first meal. Blended it up in the Vitamix, and that made just about 1 liter, which was perfect. Took my time and had that. Then at 4 p.m. I had a half of a melon, and then just after that I had a can of this pineapple. Now this is a great alternative to have if you're not getting fresh pineapple. This is a premium quality. It's a tropical gold, and it's really sweet. So I often have that when I can't get myself good pineapple. Then at 6 p.m. I made a salad. It had mixed greens, apple, cucumber, avocado, pecans, and sunflower seeds. So I usually try to get in a big salad just about every day. Then at 7:30 I had hummus with crackers and some veggie Thai soup. It had sweet potatoes, had some different vegetables in it with some hot sauce on top, and I had that over rice noodles. So that was it for the day. Make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box. I have some delicious recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.